husband and wife. Once upon a time, according to legend, human beings were born with husband and wife sticking back to back. One day, a lot of people gathered and asked God, our husband and wife have their backs attached to each other, so we can't see the faces of our wives and husbands even though we are married. I would like you to break your back so that you can see the faces of your wife and husband. Then God, I see, that's a reasonable thing. And he broke the couple's attached back. In this way, the couple's backs were split all at once, but they are two people who don't usually look at their faces, so once I lost sight of them, I didn't know who was the couple. So the humans were in trouble and asked God again. As I wished, I had my back broken, but this time I couldn't tell who was the other half of the couple. Please do something. Then God. Then, I will give you the power of love. If you believe in that love and look for a partner without worrying about appearance or short-term interests, you will definitely be able to find the other half born as a couple. And he gave the power of love to humans. Humans are sometimes blinded by benefits such as appearance, sometimes money and status, and there are people who become husband and wife without using the power given by God of love, but that will not be able to have long-lasting happiness. If you are not misled by appearance and profit, believe in the power of love and find the other half born as a couple, you will surely be able to get long-lasting happiness. The end.